Hi there mga ka-foodies and welcome to Anfood's channel. And for today's video, I'm gonna make a Hainanese chicken rice. And here's the first thing that I need to do is just mix jasmine rice or any brand of rice you have, mix with glutinous rice and soak in a water for around 30 to 40 minutes. And for the chicken, just clean properly and wash with salt. Remove the fat, and I'm gonna use this later for the rice. Add smashed ginger and green onion inside the chicken. These spices bring aroma and more flavor to the chicken. And before I put this into a boiling water, I have to rinse the skin with hot water. The reason is to tighten or firm the skin of the chicken and it won't tear easily. In a boiling water, add salt and put in the chicken and let it boil for around 30 minutes into a low-medium fire. Next is let's make the orange sauce of the chicken. Prepare cloves of garlic, ginger, lemon, chili, sesame oil, white sugar, salt, and hot sauce. For the hot sauce, I use sriracha. If you don't have this kind of sauce, you just use any chili paste or chili sauce you have. Grate the garlic and ginger and put the grated garlic into a bowl. For the ginger, squeeze it tightly to release the extract, and do the same with the lemon. Mix all the ingredients of the sauce all together and set it aside. And now it's time to make the rice. Heat the pan, add the chicken fat until it releases the oil. And add the minced ginger, garlic, and onion. Fry until you smell the aroma of the spices. And I'm gonna add these spices, fried spices, into the drained rice. And I'm gonna use the broth of the chicken to water the rice. That's why they call this chicken rice. And now the chicken is already cooked, so take out and let it cool for a bit. And for the broth, I add green vegetables and we can have this as a soup. Because the broth is madami siya, kaya hinati ko siya at yung nilagay ko sa container, itatago ko lang sa fridge and pwede siyang gamitin sa soup for the following days. Na gamitin din. Pwede siyang gamitin sa pang soup sa noodles or sa kahit anong soup na gagawin. And before I will chop up the chicken, I rub a turmeric powder. The reason is to add more color to the chicken. And this is just an optional, so you can skip this if you don't have or if you don't like turmeric. chop up the chicken and arrange it into a plate with the sauce that we make with a side dish of cucumber. If you like this video or this food, please give me a thumbs up. For those who didn't subscribe, please do subscribe and comment your suggestion. Thank you so much. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.